What's up, money lovers? Welcome back. Voyager Digital just reported earnings this morning, and we're going to get to that in a second. And we've got two special guests, as you can see behind me. I told them if they don't bark at any kids, then I will give them a treat after this. Hopefully they honor our deal. But let's get to the Voyager Digital earnings. Alrighty, so Voyager Digital reported revenue of $164.8 million for the quarter ended December 31st, 2021. This is Voyager's best quarter ever. They doubled their revenue from the previous quarter. CEO Steve Ehrlich said that they delivered significant revenue growth and supported a marked increase in customer activity without any material system issues during the quarter, highlighting the steps we've taken to build out the scale and security of the Voyager platform in 2021. So obviously reliability, security, these are very important things when it comes to people's crypto, and they have multiple product rollouts coming in 2022. So Voyager Digital had some pretty insane growth rates that we'll get to in a minute. And while those growth rates, I imagine, are going to slow down pretty significantly, hopefully when you accompany their new product rollouts, which we're about to talk about, as well as their international expansion, it will kind of help offset and maybe help continue that growth. So continuing their revenue diversification strategy, they're launching the Voyager debit card, which will allow for payroll, direct deposit. They're adding more tokens to the trading platform, and you can also earn interest or stake those tokens. A desktop platform's coming, as well as dark mode, and they're also building toward adding equities to the platform, as well as expanding it to Europe and Canada, as well as offering an NFT product and wallet. So lots of exciting things happening in the pipeline here. The debit card should be huge. It will allow people to spend and earn crypto. The international rollout, there's tremendous room for growth in the European market as well as Canada. They're also going to launch this NFT platform, which they intend to make the viewing, acquiring, and custody of NFTs easy for customers. So Voyager is slowly just trying to become this one-stop shop for everything. And this is what will set them apart, because right now there is no brokerage that offers a place where you can do equities, crypto, everything all in one space. Some brokerages may offer things like GBTC, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, but you can't own the Bitcoin directly. So this is something I could see really setting Voyager apart. People will gravitate toward that conveniency, ease of use, having everything all in one place definitely helps to keep it all nice and organized. So the revenue for the quarter was $164.8 million, and that is up 4,400% compared to the $3.5 million they brought in the quarter ended December 31st of 2020. For the year in 2021, they brought in $415.8 million versus $6.6 million in 2020. So just staggering growth rate there. Again, this definitely is going to slow down. I don't think we're going to see 4,400% growth again next year. Should be some significant growth opportunities as they pursue this revenue diversification model, as well as expand into new markets. So total users on the platform came in at 3.2 million. Up 49% from the 2.15 million at the quarter ended September 30, 2021. So quarter over quarter, lots of growth in the user base, and Voyager Digital is actually the third largest crypto platform for retail investors. So if you exclude the institutional investments, Voyager is the third largest. CEO Steve Ehrlich said, "I'm truly excited about where we are and where we are going. Voyager's business continues to grow every day, and the company is well positioned as a pioneer in the digital asset space." So Voyager Digital obviously is an investment that still carries a lot of risk. It's one of my most speculative holdings, but the way I see it is, as crypto continues to get larger, there's a big market there, and if Voyager can really do these things that they're saying and kind of set themselves apart, being your one-stop shop for cryptos, equities, and more, I think that could give them a competitive edge. There are a lot of competitors in the space. They're competing with the likes of Coinbase, Kraken, Binance, but Voyager Digital is really taking a great approach here. Their rollouts are smooth. They don't run into issues like Binance did, legal issues. Voyager is making sure they're doing everything by the book, and I think that they do have some unique things to offer that will continue to play out over the next couple of years here, starting with this the debit card and expanding into equities trading as well. I think Steve Ehrlich is a great CEO. He's got lots of experience. He was formerly the CEO of trading at E-Trade, so he has an impressive resume. So I think Voyager Digital is putting everything in one place. Type of business model is going to be very appealing to customers. I am a user of the Voyager Digital platform. I'm actually going to do a crypto portfolio update in the next couple of days, as well as an update on my stock portfolio and my outlook for 2022. So definitely make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that. But I hold the majority of my crypto in Voyager. I've been very happy with it so far. I'm earning pretty significant interest rates on things like Bitcoin, US dollar coin. So Voyager's at the very early stages. It's a risky play here because they're not yet profitable. There is a lot of competition in this space. It's a new space, but it's definitely a high risk reward play because you get in early on something like this, and if they do continue to succeed, this company will absolutely explode. I mean, Voyager Digital is currently trading at $8.30, and they've got a market cap of only $1.3 billion. So it's a very small company, lots of room for growth here. And it's all just going to come down to if they continue to execute, which I think they have so far. There's a lot that Voyager has to offer, so I'm excited to see how this one plays out. Let me know what you think of Voyager in the comments below. Do you use it? Are you an investor? Why or why not? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Vinny from the Investment Club, and I'll see you next time.